Hello, this is the tutorial of the Reading Farm LMS. First, you need to log in. Once you log in, your dashboard will show the current status of all the students in your class. Teachers in charge of the multiple classes can view a specific class by choosing it from drop-down menu. You can check which students have read the most books and which books have been read the most times. You can manage things related to students on the classroom screen. On the student page, you can add new students or view each individual student's study information. By clicking the Add Student button, you can add students one at a time or upload an Excel file to add a group of students at once. By clicking the Study Period button, you can assign a study period to individual students or groups. To see the study details of a particular student, you can check the overall list, but it is easier to check by clicking on a student's name. Let's click on Kevin Lee. This shows you Kevin Lee's detailed information. You can check which books they have studied, how many questions were answered correctly, and the report card for each book. Teachers can also leave comments about the studied book. By specifying a period of time, you can view the student's study information for that period of time. Teachers can assign specific books to students on the Assign page. By clicking on a book, you can see the information for that book. Click the Assign button to assign that book to students. Select the students you want to assign the book to. You can move between classes to assign the book. If you choose Class A, a list of all the students from Class A will be shown. You can choose which students to assign the book to. If you want to assign several books at a time, select the books you want to assign and click the Assign Book button. The pop-up window lets you choose which students to assign the books to. Similarly, you can assign the books to students from another class. You can assign the books to all the students in a certain class by clicking Entire Class. Let's check how the assigned books are shown. This shows the books assigned to Class A. It shows the number of students, the number of books assigned, and the number of completed books. You can also check the total time spent studying and the average study time per student. Teachers can check the books assigned to specific students. There are 6 books assigned and 2 of them have been completed. You can see the total time spent reading and the average time per book. There are 3 types of report cards shown for what students have studied with Reading Farm. You can search using the student's name or a period of time. You can check the report cards for the level test for each book and for each level. In the awards section, you can see which students have read the most books and which books have been read for the most times. Click the More button to see more detailed information. On the library screen, you can see workbooks and teacher's guides. Reading Farm offers 1,000 labeled reader books, all completed with workbooks and teacher's guides. These are shown as PDF files, and teachers can print them out for after reading activities with students. On the management screen, school or academic managers can register teachers and classes. A teacher's account must be registered here in order for them to be able to use and manage the students and classes as described in the tutorial.